I just got some new winglets for right here. If you guys don't know, this is a 911 991.2. And right here, the wind actually comes into the doors. So when you're going faster, you hear the burble of the wind going back and forth as if you only have one window down. So AWE makes a part here that will deflect the wind out. So we'll see it here. And it goes right in place of this, makes the wind shoot out and gets rid of that burble. So we're gonna put them on. Unboxing, this comes with 2 of these and a nice lollipop that you can have, and a bunch of foam. Got instructions here and some clips. And that's it. Get organized, put everything back, and we've got our 2 things, our lollipop, our clips, and instructions. First up here, we're gonna take a tool. Sorry, I've got the lollipop in my mouth now. I'm gonna pry this up and apart. And I need 2 hands, but it pops out just like that, revealing the screw. Next, you'll need a T20 bit. Simply unscrew. There we go. Now this piece pops up and right off like that. So there was the difference of the 2. This is the factory. It is kind of faded as well. It's a 4-year-old car. And this is the new one. Next, grab a T10, and we're going to screw this onto here using the small. Very good. Now the hole's in the same spot. Now we got to put it back on. Be sure to line this piece up. Goes on and then slides down. Just like that. And then the screw is in the back side. We're back to our T20 and the longer screw. That is a little hard to thread at first, but you get it. Do not over tighten it. There, it looks just like that. And now we pop the cap back on and it's like it never happened. There we go. Mission complete. Look at that. Perfect. The way they probably should have came from the factory. Do the same for the other side. The second one took me about 90 seconds to do. Once you know what you're doing, it is extremely easy to just take this apart, put that on. So it's one of the easiest mods, and I can't wait to test it out.